Hi, my name is DJ, and I'm a satisfied customer of Real Credit Deal. It was referred to me by a good friend of mine that had used Real Credit Deal, both him and his wife, where they both have exceptional credit. And I think he had been dealing with some very serious credit matters. I had something on my credit report that had been on for almost 10 years that within 4 months finally came off. As well as a whole bunch of other data and information that I didn't really understand was affecting my credit. So not only were they successful in clearing off all negative things stuck on my credit report, I gained valuable information and insight on how to protect and enhance my credit from this moment on. And I'm really excited for the opportunity that Real Credit Deal has given my life and my business endeavors. So I encourage any of you to really try the product and really consider working with Real Credit Deal. They have a very solid automated process. You get follow-up phone calls. They inform you of every single item that's either being removed or negotiated. And when the service is done, they complete their work and will suggest other ideas, um, regardless of if you decide to work with them or not. So I really like their showmanship and the quality of their customer service. So again, I thank you. Real Credit.